Dear students of 11th class, today we will be studying The Portrait of a Lady by Khushwant Singh. Let us first get information, learn the biography of Khushwant Singh. Khushwant Singh was an Indian author, lawyer, diplomat, जर्नलिस्ट एंड पॉलिटिशियन. तो सबसे जो फेमस खुशवंत सिंह की बुक है उसका नाम है ट्रेन टू पाकिस्तान, एंड दिस book was published in 1956, and in 1998 this book was made into film. इस बुक की फिल्म भी बनाई गई, and this book became a very famous novel. तो खुशवंत सिंह का जो जन्म हुआ है, इसकी जो जन्म भूमि है वो तो पंजाब है, लेकिन पाकिस्तान का पंजाब. He was born before partition. तो उन दिनों हिंदुस्तान और पाकिस्तान नहीं बना था, सिर्फ एक ही मुल्क था. तो उसके बाद इसकी एजुकेशन मॉडर्न स्कूल न्यू दिल्ली में हुई. देन ग्रेजुएशन उसने की. ही ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज लाहौर. देन was awarded LLB from the University of London, or he was also appointed as journalist in All India Radio in 1951. So, and in 1974 he was awarded Padma Bhushan, लेकिन इसने इस अवार्ड को वापस किया because as a protester he returned this award against Operation Blue Star raided Amritsar, Golden Temple, Amritsar. So then early life, as I already told you that born in Hadali, Khushab district, Punjab, पाकिस्तान का पंजाब, इंडिया का पंजाब नहीं है ये. It is district Punjab of Pakistan, in a Sikh family. And then he was admitted in modern school in 1920 और 1930 तक इसने वहाँ तालीम हासिल की. Then BA in 1934, and then career. He practiced law in 1939. तो लाहौर कोर्ट में इसने 8 साल तक काम किया. तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट जो है कि that he remained the editor of the reputed newspapers like the योजना, और उसने योजना जो है उसको he founded and edited योजना, and it was an Indian government journal. Or he was also the editor of the Illustrated Weekly of India and the National Herald, and also editor of Hindustan Times on Indira Gandhi's personal recommendation. तो आपको सिर्फ याद रखना है कि इलस्ट्रेटेड वीकली ऑफ इंडिया, हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स एंड नेशनल हेराल्ड के एडिटर रह चुके हैं. देन पॉलिटिक्स, and in 1974 he was awarded Padma Bhushan, and he was also member of Rajya Sabha. So politics mein he would favor the Congress party. Then personal life, married to Kamal Malik. Then religious belief. So then one can be saintly person without believing in God. So this was his religious belief, that then death. Khushwant Singh died on March 20, 2014 at Delhi Residence, and his age was 99. So then here we will discuss some of these are the honors and awards. Rockefeller Grant 1966, Padma Bhushan 1974, Honest Man of the Year 2000, Punjab Ratan Award 2006, Padma Bhushan 2007, Satya Academy Fellowship 2010, All India Minorities Forum Annual Fellowship Award 2012, Lifetime Achievement Award by Tata Literature Live, the Mumbai 2013, Fellow of King's College London 2014, the Grove Press Award for the Best Fiction. He received these awards in his lifetime. Then books, The Mark of Vishnu 1950 में, History of Sikhs 1953, Train to Pakistan. Remember the Train to Pakistan? इसकी फिल्म भी बनाई गई and it was published in 1956. The Voice of God and Other Stories 1957, I Shall Not Hear the Nightingale 1959, The Sikh Today 1900, The Fall of Kingdom of Punjab, A History of Sikhs, Ranjit Singh Gadar 1966, A History of Sikhs 1960, A Bride for the Sikh and Other Stories 67 में, Black Jasmine Short Story 1970, Tragedy of Punjab and Collector's Story, etc. These are some of the books, a long list of the books. The End of India, his death at my doorstep. So these are some of the books and short stories. मैं The Portrait of a Ladies, जो आपके सिलेबस में है, The Portrait of a Lady. The Strain is another short story. Success Mantra, another story. Love Affair in London. These are some of the short stories which he wrote. He is the author of these short stories. So my dear students, the short story which is in your syllabus in Hornbill book is The Portrait of a Lady. Then play में है एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री, टेलीविजन डॉक्यूमेंट्री, थर्ड वर्ल्ड फ्री प्रेस आल्सो प्रेजेंट. तो 1983 में यूके में 1983 यूके में इसको वहाँ टेलीविजन डॉक्यूमेंट्री प्रेजेंट किया गया. सो दिस इज़ some information about Khushwant Singh. इससे हमें पता चलता है कि खुशवंत सिंह एक मामूली आदमी नहीं था, बट वेल नोन politician, well known writer, well known liar, and well known editor also. So this is all about Khushwant Singh. You can just study Khushwant Singh. There is a short paragraph of Khushwant Singh in your book. You can go through that and you can underline the main pointers and remember those pointers. Thank you very much. Have a good day.